Welcome to the first great lesson. Today I'm going to tell you a story about our universe. Where did you come from? Where did everything come from? You came from your mother. But where did mothers come from? And where did their parents come from? This is a science story about where stars, oceans, air, lions, kittens, grass, and everything comes from. Once upon a time, the universe was born. It was a tiny universe at first, smaller than a speck of dust. Then it exploded up to a great galaxy-sized universe. After that, it kept on growing, but more slowly. Glowing bolts of energy shrank and turned into very tiny particles. The particles came together and formed the first element, hydrogen. Enormous clouds of hydrogen everywhere shrank and ignited into billions of stars that gathered in galaxies that sparkled like star cities in the black night. In your Milky Way, clouds of hydrogen ignited into huge mother stars. One was your mother star. Your mother star baked hydrogen into lots of new elements like carbon, oxygen, calcium, and all the elements that would be necessary for life. Your mother star died in a massive explosion, a supernova, blasting her stardust into space. The stardust formed a huge cloud that began to spin and flatten into a disk that got tighter and denser and hotter until whoosh, your sun flared into life in the center of the disk, and 8 young planets formed in the outer parts. The third planet from the sun, Earth, was a hot, molten planet made out of stardust and covered with volcanoes. In Earth's hot, bubbling oceans, an amazing thing happened. Out of the water and hot rocks, the very first invisible living things began to move and multiply. Over 4 billion years, life would turn into dinosaurs, penguins, whales, astronauts, and you. You are made out of stardust from an ancient star that was made out of clouds of hydrogen that came out of a universe born as tiny as a speck a long time ago. Thank you for coming to my lesson.